Welcome back. So this afternoon, Ben's going to be working on a turbo that he's got. He's going to be rebuilding it. He's got the bench cleaned off and he's getting things prepared so he can start on that, and I will let him explain a little bit about what it is and what he's doing. And Kagan's standing here for comic relief.
So this right here is a Borg Warner K27 that came off of the Freightliner that I purchased that I've been parting out.
Also known as a German tin whistle.
German tin whistle?
German tin whistle.
So we don't know how well this will work with our IDI motor. There's other turbos out there that are preferred for that project, but I've got this one and it's free, so we're going to use it and see if it works. If it doesn't work, I can always swap it out later because it does have a standard plate here that I can just, when I make my manifold up, I'll put another turbo on it. So anyways, so this right here is K27. This is supposedly, it says right there, a K27 rebuild kit. So I think that's the right kit anyways. We'll find out.
So you don't know if that's going to work?
No, I don't. I've never rebuilt a turbo before.
Never rebuilt a turbo. Okay. I thought you knew how to do this.
No.
All right.
Matter of fact, I don't know that I know anybody who has rebuilt a turbo before. But I know some guys have bought turbos and put them on, but nobody's rebuilt one.
I know someone who rebuilt one.
How'd that work out?
And they didn't rebuild it right. Might know two people here in about an hour.
Thanks for the vote of confidence.
Yeah, that sounds like he's super confident in how you're going to perform here today.
So, the big thing is we've never let not knowing how to do something in this garage stop us. I've done my research on YouTube and Googled and tried to figure it out and then do it the best I know how to. So, might fail, might succeed, but it's not stopping me from trying. So,
well, let's dive in and see what happens.
All right.
Anyone know how to say good luck in German?
Good luck. That's all I got.
Do not let this fall on the floor. Hang on to that.
Ain't got anywhere with it.
All else fails, you break out the hammer.
We're about ready to fix it with fire.
Yeah.
That's kind of my next resort there.
Apply heat.
Yep.
Make sure it's good in the vise.
So a little bit of background information here.
That's the exhaust housing and stuff. It's
Yeah.
probably been 1,000 degrees at some point or other.
These bolts right here, you can't get out until this housing comes out. So he's gonna heat it up and we'll see what happens.
It's probably going to take a while.
There's some heat here.
Yeah, but that thing's meant to soak up heat.
Well, I know it is.
So,
That's a good point.
I want to see if that was enough to coax it
Here,
out.
now. Okay.
Got it?
yep. It felt like it. I've just been moving in the vise.
Need leverage.
Man.
Overall, this doesn't seem like a great idea.
No, it doesn't. I can't tell whether it's coming or not.
It feels like it's coming a little bit, but not enough to wiggle out.
Here's a brass coaxer rod if you want that.
Oh.
Just less damage on the...
Yeah. You ready?
I think you're going to need more heat.
Yep. More heat.
Like, lots more heat. Well, to be continued. All right, so after multiple attempts here, I think we've got it pretty close, or at least hot enough. We'll find out here. Hand me that, you do that. It's wiggling. Let's hold it.
Now you need your bolts loose. Hey. You need your bolts loose.
Give me a second.
She's a little warm.
Yeah, see.
Actually, can you turn the whole housing now?
Yeah.
Yeah, there we go. Now I can get the bolts out. By the way, them are probably hot.
I'm going to tell you right now they're hot.
I am not going to be taking that loose with my finger.
Why not?
I don't even have gloves on, so don't look at me.
Take a look at one, see if it's hot.
Stick your tongue on it.
Can I help a little?
Yeah.
Would he admit it if it did help?
Sometimes. Every great now and again.
I don't want to let everyone know that cake was right on something.
Hey, that Amish guy had a point there. He was right. I can't believe they didn't think about that sooner.
I was thinking more like Harry and the Hendersons and not Amish. Get it! Alright. Play catch time.
Let's hope.
Other side.
And there she be.
There you go, ladies and gentlemen. That is a very hot turbo.
Very hot. And this is what the inside of an exhaust housing looks like for turbo.
All right. Now that that's apart, we continue on.
look here. See the marks on the back of that?
Mm-hmm.
Right there, see that line, pretty shiny line? The bolts that rebuild kit sit for this either are not supposed to have in washers, which they sent in the kit, or they're too tall. So those have got to come back out, and I've already red Loctite them, so I hope it hasn't set up good. Because that is not going to fly. But that's the bolts that was sent with the kit. I'm going to reuse the ones I took out, because I think they're okay. That's why I'm having problems.
Okay.
We're not completely done yet, but check this out. So look here, before there was some side play, and now there is none. Check that out. That's just a heat shield right there, so if I hold that still. Look at that.
Satisfied with your rebuild?
I am satisfied right now, because there's no side play anymore. Before there was.
Nice.
So, we're getting there. Jeez, Pete.
So I believe this job took a little longer than he anticipated. I've been working on the motorcycle frame a little bit more while he was doing this. But here we are, and I'll let him talk about it.
So, I think it's a Chinese rebuild kit for a German turbo. And one of the, I was researching, and one of the videos I watched, the guy said, you can rebuild that in an hour. Yeah, I can't. But the good news is there's no in play now. It spins freely. Every piece that was sent with the kit to be replaced is replaced. So I feel really good about it now, because before I had a lot of in play in the shaft, and now I don't have. So it would actually move back and forth in the housing. So we should be good now. So there it is, my first turbo rebuild.
A learning experience, I'm sure.
I will probably have to clock these housings once we figure out where it's going to go on the truck. But just loosen these bolts back up, and the exhaust housing's a pain, but the intake's not too bad. So anyways, we'll cross that bridge when we get there.
Well, it's been a day here at the garage, so thanks for watching. We'll catch you next time. See you guys.